Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Wishing everyone a very happy Durga Puja and Navratri. So today I'll be creating this beautiful day to night makeup look, and if you are interested in seeing how to achieve it, then please continue watching. So let's get started with the skin prep. First I'm using this beautiful hydrating moisturizer with an SPF. This will moisturize, hydrate and protect your skin. Here I'm using the e.l.f. matte putty primer. I have oily skin and I want my base to look poreless and flawless, and this will also control the oil production to some extent. Next I'm using this full coverage concealer to hide my dark circles, pigmentation, blemishes, scars and acne marks. It's a very creamy hydrating concealer, so it doesn't look drying underneath my eyes and it makes my base look really nice and flawless. As you can see, it blends beautifully into the skin, feels very lightweight, so it doesn't look heavy or cakey, so very comfortable on the skin as well. Moving on to the foundation. This is the foundation I use most of the time because it's waterproof, sweatproof, very lightweight and has a decent amount of coverage. It blends like a dream, looks beautiful on the skin and gives a very nice finish. But remember, this is a matte foundation, so if you have dry skin, you have to prep your skin really well. Next I'm using this Nykaa lip glaze lip oil to hydrate and moisturize my lips, and also as you guys can see, it adds some color to my lips as well, so I'm gonna just take some and apply it on my cheeks as my blush, and look at that, how pretty it looks. To set my base makeup into place so that it doesn't crack or crease, I'm going to use a loose powder underneath my eyes or around my mouth or wherever I have smile lines, so that my makeup stays put and doesn't look oily. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using this Huda Beauty Rose Quartz eyeshadow palette. I'm going to take the shade Gratitude and I'm going to apply it all over my crease. When I'm in hurry and I don't have any clean brush nearby, so what I do is I use my finger to blend out the edges so that my eyeshadow looks nice and neat. Now I'm taking the shade called Self Love and applying it all over my eyelid with the help of a flat brush, but I was not really happy with the pigmentation, so I used my finger to get the most out of it. Now I'm taking the shade called Energized and highlighting the inner corners of my eyes. My festive makeup looks are just incomplete without a kajal or a kohl, so today I'm using the Faces Canada Ultime Pro Kajal in the shade Black. I'm gonna use it on my waterline as well as I'm gonna tightline my eyes with it. This kajal also comes with a smudger on the back, so I'm using it to smoke out my lower lash line a little bit. And lastly, I'm using the shade Mantra to smoke out my bottom lash line. Also, whatever is left in the brush, I'm applying it on the outer corners of my upper lash line. Using the same eyeshadow shade called Mantra to fill in the gaps of my eyebrows. So that my brow hair stays intact, I'm using an eyebrow gel. It will help my brows to stick to its space and it's not gonna move or budge. Using an eyelash curler to curl my lashes, and then using 2 coats of mascara. Using the same shade called Gratitude on my lower lids as well as on my crease to redefine my crease. Taking the same shade I used to highlight the inner corners of my eyes, and now I'm using it to highlight the brow bone area. I am super excited for this because this is for the first time I'm using it in front of the camera. This is the K-Beauty Liquid Highlighter, and this is like liquid metal on your skin. This is so blinding and it looks so beautiful on the skin. It just gives you that wet look. Totally worth your every single penny. For my lip color, I'm sticking to this lip gloss only and I'm not using any other lipstick because on itself it looks very pretty and it gives you that nice hydrated juicy lips and also leaves a beautiful stain behind. As you can see, I'm adding some more to my cheeks to add some flush of color. Now I'm gonna wear my earrings, add a bindi, and that's it. And that's the completed makeup look. What do you guys think? Definitely let me know in the comment section below. All of the product details, links, everything is mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. These are the images of what I'm wearing today. Links will be mentioned in the description box. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye!